Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Weather's getting cold out like the last time, but we're going to make some soup this time. It's not any old soup. We're going to make loaded baked potato soup. So let's get over here and let's get to cooking. All right, y'all. Start out here. We got 10 red potatoes, cubed up, kind of bite sizes. And to that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, kind of sprinkled over the top. We're going to kind of toss them and coat it. All right. All right. Good enough. All right, to that, now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients, which we're going to start out with one. I called for a red onion. The red onion I had was bad. I didn't know that when I went to the store, so I'm using a white onion. I'm going to sprinkle that over it. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon, or teaspoon, I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon of garlic, which we're just going to do this. And I like mine a little, I like garlic, so we're going to add a little extra. So we got 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of chicken granulars. 2 tablespoons of chicken granular stuff. Kind of sprinkle that over it. And you can use more or less of this if you want. Okay, and then to that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley. There's that. 1 tablespoon of ranch. I got my notes over here. That's why it's taking me so long. This is ranch seasoning. Ranch seasoning, parsley, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and you can use less or more, but I always find that amount right there is about perfect. Where are we at here? Okay, we got trying to get my stuff all kind of closed up here as I'm doing it, so I know that I'm done with it. Oh, black pepper, and it was said 1 teaspoon or to taste. So do that. Let's see, we got the garlic, chicken, ranch, parsley, salt, pepper, 3 cups of water. But first, we're going to add about 3/4 to 1 cup of the real bacon bits, and then we need 3 cups of water. There's 1, or that's 2, I'm sorry. And this will make 3. Okay. There, we got everything in the crock. It's supposed to be in there for now. And we're going to go ahead and put this on to cook. We're going to cook it for 6 to 8 hours on low. So when midway through, kind of probably come in and stir it a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to get it on to cook. We'll bring you guys back here in just a few. All right, y'all. It's been cooking for a couple hours, so let's give her a look at here and see what she's looking like. Oh, yeah. Oh, I wish y'all had smell-o-vision. I can smell the bacon and the onions and the garlic. Ooh, this is going to be delicious. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I'm getting hungry, y'all. So we have about 4 more hours to cook, though. So, all right. Put the lid back on her and let her do her thing. All right, y'all. This stuff here has been cooking for about 8 hours. So, let's finish it off and we can do our taste test then. So, finish it. We need about a cup of half and half. You know. Get all that in there. Just stir it up. That looks so good, y'all. All right. Now we're going to let this cook for about 15-20 more minutes. Just basically to warm that half and half back up. And we'll be ready to eat. So we'll bring you back then. All right, y'all. Time for our taste test. So let's have at it. So. Oh, y'all. First time making this. That's some of the best potato soup I've ever had in my life. So, all right. There you have it. Cheesy, what is it? Loaded baked potato soup. Sorry, little brain fart there. Forgot what I was cooking. So, anyways, appreciate y'all. Hope you all liked it. Please, hope you hit that like button, subscribe, and got a couple recipes to choose from for the next one. The next one I was thinking about, my buddy Henry from the Tractor Pulls. He asked me to do one mac and cheese. So I'm gonna kind of do that, but a little twist on it. I found a bacon chicken mac and cheese, and I found another one too for just regular mac and cheese. So why don't y'all leave me a comment down there and tell me which one you think would be best. The chicken bacon mac and cheese actually has broccoli and some ranch seasoning in it, and the other mac and cheese is just a cheddar cheese sauce style traditional mac and cheese. You bake both of them, but so anyways, leave me a comment down below, like I said, which one you guys would like to see. And as always, appreciate y'all. Check out the Amazon store, and because it's come up to be the holiday time, you link through my Amazon store, I get a little kickback, but you know, it doesn't cost you anything more. Just Amazon gives me a little kick, you know, if you go in to buy your stuff through my Amazon store. So anyways, I'm rambling. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. As always, bear appetit.